In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and transfer a Wix website. If you're handing off a project to a client or just creating a safe backup before making big changes, duplicating and transferring a Wix site is the cleanest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact flow and I'll add a few helpful notes so you know what to expect at each step. Start on your Wix dashboard in the Sites or Studio view where you can see all your websites. Find the site you want to work with and open the Site Actions menu by clicking the three dots next to it. This little menu is where Wix keeps most of the management options for each project. Choose Duplicate Site. Wix will create a copy of your site with the same design, pages, and content. This is great for preserving the original while you experiment or prepare a handoff. Keep in mind, duplicating doesn't carry over things like domains or premium subscriptions. Those are managed separately. While the duplicate is being created, give it a moment to process. When it appears in your list, it's smart to rename it so you can clearly tell the copy from the original at a glance. Next, go back to the three dots on the new duplicate. From the same menu, select Transfer Site. Transferring sends an ownership invitation to another person, so the site can move into their Wix account. This is typically how you finalize delivery to a client or teammate. Depending on your region and plan, billing, domains, and premium features may require separate actions after the transfer, so it's a good idea to plan for that ahead of time. When prompted, type the recipient's email address. For the smoothest experience, use the email they use for their Wix account. Double check the spelling so the invitation goes to the right place, and make sure the person knows to look for an email from Wix to accept the transfer. Click. Continue to send the transfer. Wix will notify the recipient, and once they accept, the site will appear in their account. Until they accept, you'll still see the site in your list with a pending status. After acceptance, they'll control the site, and you'll no longer be the owner unless you've been added back as a collaborator. That's it. You selected the site, duplicated it for safety, opened the menu again, chose Transfer Site, entered the email, and clicked Continue. Follow these steps and you'll hand off your Wix project confidently with a clean backup left behind.